What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today, dude, what are we doing today?
Blowing stuff up.
We're not gonna blow stuff up. I gotta do an oil change, spark plugs and wire change on the vet real quick because it's a little overdue. Tony's gonna be messing around with the Z a little bit. We'll get some action of that later, but something I really need to do with the vet is go out and test some launches. Last time we went to the drag strip, all my launches weren't that great at all.
Yeah, at all.
And that was definitely part of driver mob, would you say?
Yeah, definitely.
So we're gonna work on that driver mod today, get some better launches out. But first I gotta get to this oil change. Just normal oil, royal purple oil, and just some NGK plugs, and then should be good to go. So I'm gonna get started on that, and then we're gonna go out and test, guys. All right, guys, so oil is draining right now. I'm just starting to pull the spark plugs. I just wanted to show you kind of the difference between these two. So I got some blue streaks, 8.5 mils, and then this is just the stock OEM plug wire diameter, and you can kind of tell like a huge difference, especially in both of these. I'm gonna have to see if I just need to move these over to these plugs or not, because those come off. But pulling that oil was black. It was due for an oil change, so gonna keep getting at it. I'm just gonna get the rest of these plugs and everything off and just give it a little bit more time to drain, because I poured half a quart of oil down just to get everything out of there. And then that oil filter, it's really weird to pull that with that Batwing oil pan. So I'll be back in a second, and I'm just gonna get all this done, and then we're gonna go do some launches.
All right, guys, as you can see, I am here now.
Yeah, thanks for that.
We're getting to our spot out here in Europe.
No, it's actually Mexico.
I think it might be Europe, guys. I don't know. Feeling a little Europe.
Are we on the Autobahn?
Yeah, pulling up. Ooh, some cams. But yeah, guys, we're out here. This thing rides smooth.
Yeah, it's actually feeling a lot better. So
a lot more responsive.
Oh yeah, it's definitely a lot more responsive. It's gonna be fun learning how to launch on this.
Did you already tell them you're coming out here to try and launch?
Yeah, I did. We're gonna see. So basically the only things that are different with the car, it's got an oil change, it's got royal purple oil and some zinc additive, and then spark plug wires. It's got NGK. Well, can I not spell right now?
He can't. He doesn't alphabet.
It's got iridium spark plugs in it right now, and some 8.5 millimeter spark plug wires. So we're gonna see if we can make this yeet. But
yeah, guys, yeah.
It sounds good and it's responsive. So let's see if we can do this. You know.
Let's set up the other GoPro, and then we'll be right back, guys.
All right, guys. So our spot was compromised. Don't know how much of us you're seeing, or if you're seeing trusty old black eyes. But we think we have a different spot, so we're gonna go there, check it out. If it's all good, we're gonna be doing some launches down in Mexico. Wait a minute, you said we were in Europe though, right?
Yeah.
All right, cool. We're going to Europe. Bye.
Alright, guys, as you can see, we're at our new location. Looks pretty nice out here. We got the freaking Lambo out. Just kidding, it's a slow Corvette. Just kidding again, it's alright. Yeah, he's gonna practice some launches though. Alright, go for her. I mean, I'm not gonna complain. He didn't stall it, so not too bad. Not too bad, guys. I mean, I could personally do better, but I'm not gonna tell him that.
Alright, so I'm trying to remember how I did this at the drag strip, what RPMs and everything. So I'm gonna give her a shot.
Alright, go for it.
Yeah, I forgot to take the traction control off. was not bueno.
Wasn't too bad.
I didn't take traction control off.
Oh, so he's trying to break his car. He had traction control on, guys. You know, newbie. All right, go for her. Not too bad, guys. I'm out here getting some bites on my legs, not having fun. Could be working on the Z right now, but you know, have to deal with this slow thing. I guess the slow driver mod, but
So traction control's off now, so I'm gonna go and do basically the same thing, see how that goes. Alright. We getting there. We getting there.
it's not too bad. That was honestly probably the cleanest one.
I mean, I've only done 2 and that didn't have traction control. So now I've been doing that 3 and then just feathering the clutch and flipping it a little.
Yeah,
I'm bringing it up to 35, see what that does.
alright, yeah, hit him with one more. I think he's figuring it out, guys. I'm gonna go ahead and start my journey down the road.
Well, we're seeing how this goes, You know what I mean? You know what I mean? Hey, how was that one?
That was honestly probably the cleanest one.
I mean, I've only done 2 and that didn't have traction control. So, and then I've been doing that 3 and then just feathering the clutch and slipping it a little.
Yeah,
I might bring it up to 35, see what that does.
alright, hit him with one more.
Yeah, we'll start hopping there. So, not as good. I put it in a 6.
It's beautiful. He just stalled it. Not sure if you guys seen, but yeah, pretty hilarious. We got some traffic coming down now. He did stall it, so yeah, we're gonna go ahead and hop in before people get mad. Dude, you stalled it.
Yeah, I put it in a 6 instead.
So I guess it wasn't a driver error mod. He accidentally put it in 6. It is a, you know, weird shifter in these C5s. So he didn't purposely stall it, I guess, but who purposely stalls?
Alright, dude. Last one, because that last one, what do you think about that?
I honestly think that was
Too much?
No, I honestly think
That
was really good. And especially if you got, like, the tires were fine. Like, yeah, they squealed a little bit, but honestly, that was probably the best one, especially if you warmed them up.
This is on a normal road, and it doesn't have
Right.
any prep at all.
You didn't warm them up or nothing, so do it again at that amount.
It wasn't that bad at all.
Not bad.
And that time it didn't squeal at all, so I think that's definitely an improvement, you know? We'll just be going and doing stuff, but
Now the only difference was from the first time at the strip was the launch was ugly, but not only that, you touched the red line
yeah, twice.
So yeah.
Next time before we go to the strip, I just want to be a little bit more prepared, you know? So we came out here, put our time in a little bit, you know, got some work in, figured out the car a little bit more.
Yeah.
But
On some back country roads here in Europe, you know, not very populated.
Oh, yeah, very
we like to play our cards safe, guys, and a little bit responsible, even though not responsible in a way.
You ready to close this out? You got
Yeah.
anything else left for the people? Oh yeah, I'm trying to go racing on not this Friday night, but next Friday night. So Doggy, if you're watching this, I really want you to bring your Tiburon out. So come on.
Yeah, Doggy. That's a call out. But anyway, guys, as always, like and subscribe.
Hit it up. That
Giveaway's coming up.
No, the giveaway's going to be out by the time this video's up.
Oh, shoot.
So shout that out. Tell people the rules real quick, in case they don't know, you know?
Yeah, so it's a pretty cool giveaway. It's not too big, but it's really cool to us. And we're only going to do bigger giveaways the more
we go on. So.
Yeah, the bigger we get, the more we go on. So
I'll put a link on top on the giveaway video so you guys can check that out. Other than that, the rules are you just have to subscribe to our channel, follow us on Instagram, and that original video that the giveaway comes out on, you just got to comment on that. But other than that, that's about it. So
big rig pulled up. Deuces, guys.